Imagine the power to predict and react to the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies. Keep a step ahead with up-to-date crypto news and warnings. Knowledge is power, and in this context, power can mean profit. To stay in the loop, set up price alerts and news notifications. Most crypto trading platforms provide this feature. Simply pick your preferred cryptocurrency, set your price trigger, and wait for the magic to unfold. As the market rises and falls, you'll receive immediate alerts, enabling you to respond quickly. It's akin to having your very own crypto guard dog, diligently watching the market while you concentrate on other tasks. Bear in mind, the crypto world operates 24/7, and your information stream should as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and keep your eyes and ears open for our next big tip. If you're ready to get started with Binance, register via my Binance referral link to receive more insights directly from me. Stay informed, stay ahead, and above all, stay profitable. Until next time.